Guys, we need to strategize. We need to figure out how to promote this movie.
Aji, no be lie.
Does anyone have idea?
So guys, I think I have a new idea.
We don't dey bang on our door since we no one hear us. We don't break her now. No, na pull up.
With this ones. Children are the mad. Why would you just bash into someone's house like that?
I hear say now be those last day actors.
Yes.
On our release movie, Abi, that one no go happen for you.
We're going to sell this movie, and there's nothing anybody can do about it.
Yes!
What can they expect? We'll leave our TikTok for now because of movie promotion.
It's not just a movie promotion, it's domination. And we are here to stay.
Yes!
Everybody says that before they disappear.
Disappear? Do we look like people that want to disappear?
How far? But I don't say we still block on the hype, sha.
Block them now. Try them.
Now get mine, Sha. But you're threatening us, more see.
Threaten you? No. We just want you to let us sell and promote our film.
Internet no dey pity anybody.
And that's good, because we don't need pity.
So what do you really want?
What we really want is for the whole world to know that The Last Spell, a movie by Joseph Prince, is the first ever Nigerian boarding school zombie-themed apocalypse movie coming to SMTM Entertainment. It's an hybrid cinema directed by director Sweet.
What do you mean zombie? Be like saying I never ready.
Alpha, come, I'm confident not too much.
When the trailer drops, you see people's TikTok will stand still.
Yes! See, this movie go blow, whether una like am or not.
Yeah. Bell never even ring, you don't they shake.
I mean, una dey threaten us.
Threaten you? No, now. We just want you to let us promote and sell our film.
More pity them.
Only them.
Una, calm down. Okay, we're going to allow you to sell your film and promote it.
Now just the talk.
When I say last call, you say